I already started this, but it's super easy to do. Changing out spark plugs right now on a 2019 Toyota RAV4. So, like I say, just started doing it, and you were like, oh, well, you're pretty far along. How could you just start doing it? Well, it's because it's crazy easy to do. So, you're going to see your cover right here on the top, probably. Maybe it got removed and never put back on, but either way, it pops right off. It's like a flexible foamish rubber. Then you're going to have your coil packs. You have your coil packs. They sit right here, set facing the other way, because they've got the connectors associated with each coil pack there. It's one 8mm bolt, and then this thing is going to pull straight out, just like that. Okay. After you get your coil packs out, and also too, while you're doing your coil packs, I suggest going ahead and numbering them. You can number them where they're exactly numbered to the correct cylinder. I just went 1, 2, 3, 4. Mark the coil packs the same way, so when I put them back in, I know where I'm going. But once you remove those, then you're going to need a thin wall 14mm socket. They sell these specifically for removing spark plugs. So that's what you want to look for when you go to, if you don't have one, go to buy one. Thin wall spark plug socket. And this is also magnetic, as well as it has a little gasket on the inside. The OEM ones for the 2019 is a Denso FC16HR-Q8. In any case, though, you want to make sure you get an iridium spark plug for it. You go to the auto store, if you're looking online, and you put in your vehicle specifications. It should pull up the spark plugs that are compatible with it. But if you buy the Densos, they're already going to be gapped for the vehicle, or the Toyota RAV4. The gap on these is 0.031. 0.031. These ones that we bought today are Autolites, the Iridium XPs. They're way out. They were like 0.05. So it'll squeeze that gap together to get it down to 0.31. Now we're putting these in now. The new ones. After we've gapped them, put a little anti-seize on there. This is aluminum. Anti-seize, you got copper as well. And then as you see, the magnetic capability of it there. I'm going to start these by hand. Probably just started this job, and from the removal to the installation probably 10 minutes ago. And along the way we thought about recording, so here we are. The handy dandy hand behind the camera. Still hot out here. Sweating like crazy, and I got a different shirt on for this video. Got a neon yellow shirt on, and I don't know how many videos. Probably 5 or 6. So I'm just putting it on one spot. You can spread it around in threads if you want, but as you thread in the spark plug, it'll spread it around the threads. Do what you want. And the last one right here. Put the anti-seize here. Yeah, not a ton, just a little bit. You know, a sprinkle. I'm going to go back through in a minute and torque these down after I get them threaded in there, finger tight. Okay. And usually they'll put on here for your torque spec, it's usually 1/4 to 1/2 pass tight. to a half pass tight. I'm going to a quarter. There's that. Now for these. Like I say, I got them numbered. If you're replacing them with new ones, it doesn't matter. If you're replacing them all, that is. It does matter if you're not replacing them all. Or if you're putting the existing ones back on, you should try to put them back in the same cylinders you took them out of. Alright, so what I just applied in here is some dielectric grease to the boots. That goes to the porcelain of the spark plug. Doing a little turn here to get that spread around a little bit.
What are you doing?
Right now I'm putting in the 8mm bolt back on the coil pack. Again, just running it down hand tight. Right now. I get my ratchet. Kind of tight. It'll run back through here. Not much torque on these, just a little bit. You can see how much the wrench is moving. Probably about the same, about a quarter turn past tight. Crazy. 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, but we're getting this done just in time. And that just presses back in place. And it's on there. And we're done. Just in time. Thanks.